How to change to TradingView mode in Phemex. Hi everyone, welcome back to Finance and Crypto Guide. If you want to switch to TradingView mode on Phemex so that it can give you access to powerful charting tool, indicator and smoother trading experience, then it can be done within a couple of minutes. First of all, launch open the Phemex application on your device and make sure that you're logged in. After you're signed in, go ahead and tap on the market option at the bottom of the screen and select any currency pair to open up the chart page. Once you're inside the chart screen, go ahead and tap on this little gear icon right above the chart on the right, and in the pop-up look for the TradingView option and click on it. Now, your chart mode will change to TradingView. Now you can start exploring TradingView features such as indicators, drawing tools, multiple time frames, and customizable layouts. So that is how it's done. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.